After watching this video, I'm sure that by the time it's over, you'll be seriously considering adopting a cat, even if you don't have one right now. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, understood the enchanting allure of these incredible creatures. Cats are fascinating not just because of their distinct behavior, but also because of the spiritual aura they bring. Did you ever ponder about the unique abilities that cats may possess in accordance with the teachings of Islam? These majestic and mysterious creatures hold a special position, as the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, showed his affection for them and encouraged treating them with kindness. His actions served as a shining example of the respect and empathy that should be shown towards all living beings, including cats, which are often regarded as symbols of purity and grace. Did you know that cats have some truly remarkable qualities that are sure to leave you in awe? If you're curious to uncover the mysteries surrounding these fascinating creatures, who have been revered in Islamic tradition since ancient times, then let's embark on a journey of discovery. Cats have always held a special place in our hearts, and their captivating behaviors never cease to amaze us. If you have a cat as a companion at home, you may have observed how it mysteriously interacts with unseen beings. Islamic teachings suggest that cats have a unique sensitivity that enables them to perceive things beyond our comprehension. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, held these creatures in high regard and urged kindness towards them. His profound admiration for their characteristics emphasized the spiritual importance of cats, as they are believed by many to have the ability to sense unseen beings, making them extraordinary companions in our households. Humans are sometimes captivated by illusions or overlook what lies beneath the surface, but it's important to acknowledge the mysterious behavior of cats in the spiritual domain. It's truly intriguing to witness the important part they have had in different esoteric investigations over the years. The Quran's wisdom inspires us to reflect on the marvels of creation, and cats, with their enigmatic charm, undoubtedly belong to these marvels. Cats' distinctive demeanor, their instinctive nature, and their quiet companionship have positioned them as symbols of secrecy and protection in diverse societies. According to Islamic beliefs, cats are considered pure creatures that bring blessings to our homes and hearts. The importance of treating them with kindness and compassion is emphasized in the Hadith, where the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, urged his followers to care for these animals. Many people believe in an ancient notion that suggests cats have a closer connection to the fourth dimension than humans do. While only Allah knows the ultimate truth about this, I'm confident that once you discover what I'm about to share, you'll agree that cats possess remarkable abilities that distinguish them from other creatures. Reflecting on the experiences of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, with cats and the profound teachings he shared about these creatures over 1400 years ago, is truly captivating. Our Prophet recognized the remarkable qualities of felines, which are now being unraveled by science, even before it developed an interest in them. Islamic narratives state that the cat was one of the first animals created after Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, followed by the snake. It is believed that cats were given a unique ability to connect with humans on a spiritual level, similar to a form of communication beyond conventional prayer. So, when your cat approaches you, seeking attention or rubbing against you, it could be a manifestation of this special connection rather than just a request for food. Later on, we will explore the Prophet's interactions with cats and the valuable lessons he taught us about them. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, had a beautiful Abyssinian cat with black and white fur, known for the unique marks on its forehead. Today, cats with similar markings are believed to possibly be descendants of this special lineage. This distinct feature not only signifies their noble heritage, but also serves as a reminder of the deep historical and spiritual bond we have with these mysterious feline friends. During the expedition to the battlefield of Uhud, there was a remarkable incident that took place. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and his army encountered a cat nursing her adorable kittens, showing his deep reverence for every creation of Allah. The Prophet not only advised his soldiers to not disturb the mother and her kittens, but also appointed a soldier to safeguard and look after the cat until their return from the expedition. After successfully completing the mission and returning, the Prophet made a decree that the first soldier to receive one of the guardian's kittens should become its adopter. As a result, one of these adorable kittens had the privilege of being adopted by the Prophet and was given the name Mu'ezzah. To show his deep affection for Mu'ezzah, there was an incident where the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, was sitting with his beloved cat, and Mu'ezzah fell asleep on his cloak. Instead of disturbing the peaceful feline, the Prophet decided to carefully cut the section of his own robe where Mu'ezzah was resting, allowing him to continue his slumber undisturbed. The act of showing respect and admiration towards cats in Islamic tradition highlights the kindness and thoughtfulness that the Prophet displayed towards all animals.